Now students, we will perform the first query. The first query is to display the details of those customer whose city is Delhi. So now which record we have to select? The detail means the all record. So simple, you will write the select asterisk from, the table name is customer, so we will write the customer. The table name is customer, and only those record should be accessed whose city is Delhi. So there is a condition, so always condition we will put with the where clause. So we will write there where city equal Delhi. Okay, so look at here, there is only those record whose city is Delhi. So this is the first query we completed. Now we will perform the second record. Second record we want to access to display the detail of item whose price is in the range of 35,000 to 55,000 both. To display the detail of item, so the table is item, so detail select asterisk from, the table name is item, and there is condition whose price is in the range of, so there is condition, so we will put the where clause, where price. For the range we have one clause between, so we will whose where price between what 35,000 and 55,000. so this is a condition. So look at here, so only those record we able to access whose price range between 35,000 and 50, and these both value also included. You can look at here, 35,000 is also included and 55,000 is also included. Clear? So this the second query we already performed. Now we will perform the next query, and in this query we will use the join operation, because the records are accessed from both table. So look, first understood the query. What is the query? So to display the customer name city from the table customer, so the customer name and city will be comes from the customer table, and item name and price from the item table. Okay, so there is the correspondency match the id, means both IDs should be equivalent. Clear? So first we will try to access these record. Okay, so how we can access record? We have to use the select what, which column we want to access, customer name, so we will write there customer name, and what city. Okay, city. Next column item name, we will write there item name, and what price. Okay, we will return here price. Clear? And customer name and city are into the customer table, and item name and price into the item table. So there we access the field. Now we have to use the table name. From which table? So from customer, and from customer and item records are accessed from the item. Okay, these two table name is we will write there, And now the correspondency. What is the correspondency? ID should be match. Clear? So where their condition, what customer, we will write customer dot ID, what customer ID. Okay, the customer ID means customer I underscore ID equivalent item dot I ID. Clear? This is called the correspondency. We have to put whenever we access record from the two table, so we have to use this clause. Clear? So we have to use the corresponding match. So how you can put the corresponding match? With help of where clause. And always remember, whenever you access the record from the board table, you have to use this clause. Clear about it? And now close this and enter. Okay, there something wrong. The column name means item name. Okay, the field we return the item name. Okay, we have to use the item name completely. Okay, yes, there is name is wrong, so use the item name. Okay, doesn't matter, no problem. We'll continue our command. And close. Okay, now we will enter it. So look at here. So we now able to access record from the board table. So you have to write this query whenever you access the record from the board table. So always remember, you have to use the where clause with this condition. Clear? If you will not use the where clause and not put the corresponding match, so what happened? Look at here. So look at here, there I am not using the corresponding. So what happened? Look at here. So it will execute the duplicate record. It will multiply the column. One column will be multiplied with the second column. Clear? So it will execute the duplicate record. So that's why we have to use the correspondency. Clear? So always whenever you will perform, you will access the record from the two tables. So always put this corresponding match. Clear? Okay, so our next record is to display the customer name, city, item name and price with their corresponding match, and only those customer whose city is Delhi. Clear? So once again the command is same, we will perform, which is we perform into the previous query. Okay, so select customer name, item. Okay, and now put the corresponding customer ID. Okay, so this is the corresponding match, but look at here, we access the customer name. This is the customer name. Next, city is there, item name, price. Okay, and corresponding match, this is the corresponding. But we have one more condition, the customer, only those customer whose city is Delhi. Clear? So one more condition we have to put there with help of logical operator AND. So we will put the AND, and the city is equal what? Delhi. So Delhi we will write there, Delhi. Okay, so this is Delhi. Okay, look at here. So only who's belonging the Delhi city, that record we have. Look at here, there is a difference, you can see the difference. Okay, there is all cities record are there, Delhi, Bangalore, Mumbai, Delhi, but into this query you have only Delhi record. Clear? So this is a way. Clear about it? Okay students, you all perform these query into your computer system and also note down these all queries. Now we will perform the next query is